Yes, sir.
Hey, thanks to Porcelain Floor came here, cleaned up our shop after construction, major construction. Price was fair, unbelievable job. I mean, we were literally here all day. Person could show you my floors were completely covered in dust. They were completely dust. You couldn't even see in the cases, they were completely dusty. Look at this fantastic job he did. I recommend it to anybody. First time I ever met the guy, he was recommended to me, and now I know why. Fantastic job.
So after removing the dust on all the floors, we have to steam clean it, as you see us doing right now. So we steam clean all the floors. This gives it a much, a glossy, beautiful floors that they have. It makes it shine. And also, if there was any odor that came from the construction, we could also remove that. Same thing we're doing with the furniture, the glass, everything. Make sure that everything was nicely done, so it be presentable. The focus was making sure everything was presentable. So this is how the glass look after we have cleaned it. Remember, this is commercial construction cleaning, so it's a lot of dust. So we removed it, and now it's very clear. You can see through it. This is the basement of the store. It had a lot of sand, and so we had to make sure that we removed all the sands. We brought out a shop vac, vacuumed all of it, and then we also brought out a little washer and washed the floors. And this is the results of the floor after it has been washed and dried. So now we go up the stairs, and the stairway was also washed and cleaned. Took all the dust off it, and as you can see, it shows the floor very nicely done and presentable. So all this floor is steam cleaned, steam mopped, should I say. This is the entrance into the store when you walk in. So the glass well clean, the doors nicely clean, so you can see through. Remember, everything about this commercial post-construction cleaning is about presentation. So we want to make sure everything is presented nicely, so it has to be detail cleaned nicely. So when you look on the floor, everything is sparkling from the light, sparkling on the floor, everything is nicely done. This is how it's supposed to be presented. You can stand anywhere and see inside the glass. So this is the back area leads to the bathroom. We also cleaned the bathroom. There's a sink. The sink right there has a little stain that doesn't come out, but the rest of it is nicely cleaned. As you can see, beautifully done, presentable, sanitary ready. So this is the end. Thank you very much for watching. If you want services, please contact us. Please make sure you subscribe and give us a like, and please share with your friends. We serve Brooklyn, Queens, Manhattan. If you have any questions at all, please contact us. Bye bye.